What's up? What's up?
Here comes the Aussie. The Aussie's ready. I need a couple more men. I need a couple more. Where? Right there, yes, send them over. Yes, right there.
I think that she was in his
I'm
So, it's not who wants to, it's who comes. She loses other people's money. Let's go.
Hold it inside with it. All right, Arizona DJ. She has 200.
Boys over here. All right. She. These. ASU. Philadelphia. Let's go. Philly in the house. Philly in the house. All right, everybody. Wake Forest in the building. What's up? What's up? Australia in the house. Australia in the house. All right, everybody. It's time for the Macho Man contest. DJ Showtime. Sorry. All right, everybody. Let's see. I need 5 pack leaders, 5 shot callers, 5 of the most macho men in the building. I'm looking for the guys that spend time with ladies in the bedroom. The guys that know how to get the ladies to the hotel room.
Amber! Let's go!
Now, but first, hold on to the
Pick it up,
Hey,
pick it
everybody,
up.
right here, please. We need to get out the way of the VIP, either bikini, unless you want to buy the bottle, we need to back up. We need to take that one, we need to take it this way, but we're supposed to stay. We need to clear that shit up. All right, so we gotta get the photo. Let's go, we need to clear up the VIP. We're not buying the bottle, we're in the right place. We're not buying the bottle, we're in the right place. Take the knee out the seat and get out the way. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go. If you're not ready, then don't. Come on. let's go. Here comes the Australian macho. Here comes the kangaroo. Here comes the Aussie. The Aussie's ready. The Aussie's ready. Let's go. I need a couple more men. I need a couple more machos. I need 2 more hombres. Let's go. Where? Right there, yes, send them over. Yes, right there. Come on, let's go, Lee, let's go. Hey, I don't know if you can participate. I think it's in his contract. I think that kid is in his contract. He got party too hard. I don't know, I've never seen it. It's been like 5 years, I've never seen him up here. It's been like 5 years, I've never seen him up here. Let's go!
Cabo, and now his dad is on the ship?
Oh, man. Let's over here.
I'm cooking.
Yeah! She needs to have money! She needs to have dinero! Now, why do we need a girl with money? Porque una chica con dinero, you look at the potato, the biggest money, as a tip for the hard-working Mexicans to make the bed, sits on the chair, and is the judge. We are looking for the sugar mama. We are looking for the lady sponsor. We are looking for the richest lady in the house. So, it's not who wants to, it's who can. Right there, see, she got a sugar daddy. She does it right. She does it right. She got the sugar daddy. She's a businesswoman. She uses other people's money. Let's go. Careful, girl. Hold it inside way. All right, everybody, she has 100. Where you from? Arizona has a $100 tip. Have a seat right there. Have a seat right there. Check it out. If you want to be the lady judge, you gotta be richer than Arizona. If you want to be the lady judge, you gotta have a bigger wallet than $100 tip. You gotta have a bigger wallet, or they sugar daddy with a bigger wallet. Let's go! And remember, DJ, if your sugar daddy don't got more than $100, he's not a real sugar daddy. Go find a different one. Let's go! Everybody, Arizona, $100 tip. There's no lady. I'm getting bigger. DJ, final countdown, $100 tip. Arizona. Joey. Australia is down. Now, time to your accounts in Australia. Final countdown, 200. 101. Going once at una. 200. 101. Going twice at us dos. And everybody coming from Australia, we got the lady judge. Let's go. BJ. Showtime. Vámonos. Now, that's what we're going to do. Mamacita, come over here. Boys, come over here. Boys, over here. All right, right there. Now, everybody, this lady right here, this mamacita from Arizona is our judge. Remember, we had a lot of girls that wanted to do it, but only she could, all right? All right.